Hey everyone! Welcome to the first course in Arabic for Nuns, Alphabet and Pronunciation. My name is Mustafa Nasser and I'll be your instructor along the way. Here, in Arabic for Nuns, we help you out learn Arabic language from scratch and from beyond level 0. You will not just watch the lessons, but also you will practice yourself from the first lesson. Subscribe my channel and activate the bell for more videos. The first course is all about alphabet and sounds. You will learn how to pronounce Arabic letters, how to differentiate between some similar letters in pronunciation, and the right way to write down every single letter. Before we start, I would like to mention two things about Arabic alphabet. First, every letter has a name and a sound. We use the name when talking about the letter separately, but when using the letter within a word, we use the sound. Obvious, isn't it? Like this English letter here. We used to call it W. That's the name. But in speaking, we pronounce it as we, like in wonderful. That's the sound. The same case is in Arabic. To lay down any confusion, I will stick with the sounds throughout the course. We will not use the names in speaking anyway. However, by the end of this course, I will mention the names of the Arabic letters for all of you to know them. The second thing I want to mention is that Arabic alphabet is divided into groups of similar shaped letters, like these groups here. When you look closer, you will see the letters in each group have almost the same shape, except for the number of dots. And this pattern goes along the way down and cover most of the Arabic letters. And I believe this is going to make our journey with Arabic alphabet much easier. Honestly, I don't intend to give you many applications and practicing throughout the first 3 courses. Definitely, there will be some applications going gradually, but my main concentration in the first 3 courses will be onto 3 basic skills: how to pronounce, how to write, and how to read. Giving you applications like vocabularies or conversations before teaching you how to pronounce, write, and read, it doesn't make any sense, at least to me. Alternatively, when you learn those skills first, you will be able to write, read, and speak without even my assistance. So, be patient and learn those skills first. And after that, I will make sure that you get the right applications and practicing. I'm currently working on multiple courses that will cover many aspects: vocabularies, conversations, listening, reading, exercises, quizzes, even live practicing through our Facebook page. I strongly recommend that you prepare a pencil and a notebook before we start over and practice whatever I will practice in the lessons. You will not learn anything by only watching. I will also provide you with many PDF files in every section that summarize the lessons, and you can save them as a reference. Don't forget to like and share the video. I will also put the link for our Facebook group in the video description. So, are you ready? Let's begin.